Today, we will talk about how to build a PVC greenhouse. Let's have a look at the details. Build an inexpensive hoop house greenhouse to extend the growing season, in some cases, all the way through the winter. Select a suitably sized patch of relatively flat ground for your greenhouse. Be sure there are no trees, buildings, or other objects that will cast a shadow on the greenhouse for a significant portion of the day. Using a tape measure, lay out a rectangle 16 feet by 40 feet on the ground to define the base of your greenhouse. Lay out planting beds inside this rectangle, leaving a walkway down the center of the 40 feet dimension. Choose one of the 16 feet ends to be the front of your greenhouse, where the door will be located. Repeat the previous step with the back pair of stakes and another piece of PVC. Insert pairs of 3-foot rebar pieces into the ground on opposite sides of the greenhouse every 5 feet down each long side of your rectangle from the front pair, and slide another length of PVC over the 2 new stakes. Repeat this process until you reach the back of the greenhouse. Make 3 40-foot pieces of PVC by gluing together pairs of 20-foot pipes using PVC joint compound. Center a 40-foot pipe down the underside of the series of arches to form a spine for the greenhouse, using stainless steel wire to make an hex around each intersection. Duct tape a 40-foot pipe along the long edge of your plastic sheet, then roll it up in a few turns of the sheet and duct tape it securely in place. Repeat the previous step with the third 40-foot piece of PVC along the opposite edge of the plastic sheet, roll it up, and duct tape it securely. Lay the assembly against one of the long sides of your skeleton, and with the help of a friend or two, walk one side of the plastic sheet with PVC attached over the top of the arches to form the skin of your greenhouse. Once you have the skin stretched over the skeleton, make sure it's centered, so there's an equal amount of excess material lying on each side of the greenhouse. Pile sand, sod, or loose soil over the flap of excess material along the whole length of one side of the greenhouse. Once one side of the sheet is thoroughly weighted down, go to the other side of the greenhouse, pull the plastic sheet down tight, and bury the excess material there the same way, making sure to keep the sheet as snug and wrinkle-free as possible. Plant a pressure-treated 4x4 vertically about 2 feet to either side of the spine of the greenhouse at each end to form uprights. Attach the front and back uprights to their adjacent rib using conduit clamps or plumber's strapping and wood screws. Pull the plastic sheet around the ends of the greenhouse and secure it to the uprights by wrapping a 1x2 inch the excess plastic at each side, pulling it tight, and attaching it to the uprights with wood screws driven through the plastic and the 1x2 and into the 4x4. Repeat the previous step at the front and back of the greenhouse. It's up to you whether you want to put doors on both ends of the greenhouse, or a door on one end and a window on the other. Seal up any gaps or tears in the plastic skin using duct tape and pieces of plastic sheet. Add your chosen plants, and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.